Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go.
I'm back, it's me, what's up? Shout out to everyone on Instagram that wanted this video and thank you for interacting in my poll. So first things first is moisturize your lips, and I'm just showing you where all my dark spots and stuff is, so y'all can see what I do. So you're gonna use a base to prime your face, and that is by Tarte. I just got it, so I don't really have like feel about it, And then after that, I'm gonna use their like poreless balm, and that I like that because my pores be showing sometimes. I get a little greasy,
Probably one of the baddest, good girl, turning into a savage. This bitch got a problem in traffic. We can't do imagine G-Wagon, low key. I've been keeping it classy. Could be really out here doing them nasty. Couldn't even see.
Okay, so next I did my brows off camera. If you want a brow tutorial, let me know in the comments. Now I'm just showing you what I use, which is basically concealer. I stopped using foundation, so I've been using LA Girl Pro Concealer and Fawn for my face because that's the closest I could get to my actual skin tone. I freaking hate looking for foundations. I just hate it. So I'm going with the same brand in the color Almond, and I'm just basically doing my T-zone under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. I just do a little access under my nose, but not too much.
She when she lands, she bring to the band, she back on the road. She know how I get when I get in that mode. Ain't fessing with, ain't buying no clothes. Only do shows, they make me some songs. Make sure the other come and get sold. We with these scribbles cause we play with pose. We play with our money and not with our nose. I used to go to the west to get lost. I just came back from the west with a trophy. I'm on some mode. She said she missed it and sending emojis. No time to kick it on my way.
Now I'm going in with Tan Sand and Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and a little goes a long way. I'm so in love with this concealer. I know I'm late on it, but oh well. And I like to put that over the almond. It just brightens up my face a little bit more.
Did it perfect. Work hard and determined. It's safe to say I earned it. Whoa, yeah. None of you guys can flash me. Whoa. Matter of fact, none of you guys can hide me. Whoa. Post my drip up daily just so they can see. Whoa. Turn me up some more so my haters can hear. Brand new car is noisy. Come through and it's roaring. You ain't gotta worry. Don't care about your boyfriend. See me and get nervous. I damn near did it perfect. Work hard and determined. It's safe to say I earned it. Whoa, yeah. None of you guys can flash me. Whoa. Matter of fact, none of you guys can hide me. Whoa. Post my drip up daily just so they can see. Whoa. Turn me up some more so my haters can hear.
So after you bake and dust, you're gonna go in with, I just started doing this by the way, concealer again. I think this is in the color Deep, and I just put 3 dots, and that's how I'm doing my cream contour, and then I just set it with the contour palette after.
It's funny, the shit I put on the song ain't gonna sound nothing like the shit we been doing. Nice when I'm
So next what I'm gonna do is going with one of my favorite parts that I like to do. I have small eyes, so I use white eyeliner on my waterline to make them look a little bigger.
It's funny, the shot put on the song ain't gonna sound nothing like the shit we was doing.
So doing your eyeliner in a thick wing, like the perfect wing, is a lot harder than it looks. I've been doing it for the longest, so me recording this wasn't the best. Y'all see me struggling trying to show y'all. But yeah, after that, I just kind of skipped that whole process in the video, and I just go straight to putting on my lashes.
Say nah, yeah. I never be tripping when you not dressed. I don't mind waiting, babe, I promise. Girl, I understand it's a process. Cut your mirror lights on, turn your Spotify on. Pull your heels out, lay your dress out, put your makeup on. Down your contour strong, throw them eyelashes on. Pull your head out, let your hair down.
Okay, so y'all, I'm not really trying to talk too much in this video because I'm high as hell. But this part is pretty self-explanatory. If you guys don't know what FLEXI rods are or like how they work, I'll do a video on that as well, because these curls came out way better than the first time. So this is just the process of me taking it down and like completing the final touches on my hair.
Say nah, yeah. I never be tripping when you not dressed. I don't mind waiting, babe, I promise. Girl, I understand it's a process. Cut your mirror lights on, turn your Spotify on. Pull your heels out, lay your dress out, put your makeup on. Down your contour strong.
I be like, you ready? You say nah, yeah. I never be tripping when you not dressed. I don't mind waiting, babe, I promise. Girl, I understand that it's a process. Cut your mirror lights on, turn your Spotify on. Pull your heels out, lay your dress out, put your makeup on. Down your contour strong, throw them eyelashes on. Pull you head out, let your hair down while you sing this song. Girl, it's a process, I know it's a process. I fuck with your process, you can take your time. Girl, it's a process, I know it's a process. Respect to the process, just don't take all night. I be like, you ready? You say nah, yeah. Girl, I understand it's a process.
Performing Whoa from his upcoming album, My Turn. Give it up for Lil Baby!
Oh, baby, you be lying in your verses. I be here and say you buying them purses. I can't even lie, you ain't my type. You ain't even know that
enjoyed my tutorial. This is the finished product, as you can see. Laid, slayed, and reified, period. And I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe on this. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you guys in my next video.